Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss out, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Psycho by Post Malone. Now before we play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's two chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D major and G major. If you know how to play those two chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this video. So our first chord for this song is D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your third finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. And our last chord is going to be G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be D major for 16 beats, and G major for 16 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, down, up, tap, down, up. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the D major chord. Down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up. And now let's combine that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Psycho. You stuck in the friend zone, I tell that 4, 5, or 5th, 100 bands inside my shorts, the chino is sick, try to stuff it all in, but it don't even fit. Know that I've been with the hits ever since legit. I made my first million. I'm like, whoa, this is it. 34 Walker, man. We had that place lit. Had so many bottles, gave every girl a sip. Out the window of the Benzo, we get seen in the rip. And I'm like, whoa, man, my neck is feeling cold. Diamonds wet my t-shirt so I got my homies, let it go. My money thick won't ever fold. She said, can I have some to hold? And I can't ever tell you no. My baby going psycho, baby's bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all that jewelry on. My roof look like a no-show, got diamonds by the load. I'm with the Tony Romo for clubs and all the bozos. My AP going psycho, baby's bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all that jewelry on. My roof look like a no-show, got diamonds by the load. Don't act like you my friend when I'm rolling through my ends though. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Psycho by Post Malone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.